Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling a frustrating issue that many iOS 17 users might encounter: Wi-Fi connectivity problems. If you're struggling with Wi-Fi not working on your iOS 17 device, don't worry, we've got your back. Stick around as we walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help you get your Wi-Fi connection up and running again. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful tech tips. The first thing you'll want to do is reset network settings. Resetting network settings can often resolve Bluetooth problems. Keep in mind that this will also reset Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then reset network settings. If the previous steps haven't worked, you might consider resetting all settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset all your personalized settings to default. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then reset all settings. If none of these steps have resolved your Wi-Fi issue, it's time to seek assistance from Apple support. Their experts can provide additional guidance and advanced troubleshooting solutions. And there you have it. Remember, technology glitches are part of the game, but with a bit of patience and some troubleshooting, you can often get things back on track. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing Wi-Fi troubles. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.